What up mga subscribers na? Okay guys, meron tayong mga videos na papanoorin, no? Syempre, ito ay guys, ito nakita ko po ito na in-upload po ito ni Miss Mojo, guys, no? Kanya po itong video na papanoorin po natin, no? This video is titled Top 10 P-pop Artists Who Deserve Mainstream Success, no? So, tingnan natin guys kung ano yung mga nasa. Ako guys, meron na akong mga idea ng mga P-pop groups na talagang sobrang deserves with S, no? Sobrang deserve na mapunta sa mainstream guys, no? Yung iba kasi guys talaga is kulang lang talaga sila sa promotion, and at the same time I think kulang din talaga sila sa sariling identity, no, yung ibang mga grupo, no. Yung iba naman meron, pero I think sa promotion sila nagkukulang po talaga, no. So tara, tingnan guys kung mag-agree tayo dito, no. And for me naman guys, so kanya-kanya naman tong opinion, no. Kanya-kanyang opinion to, no. Wala naman tong tama at mali. Lahat naman ng tao is may kanya-kanyang opinion. Maliban na lang kung sobrang obvious na po talaga na hindi talaga siya hindi talaga siya nagma-match, no. Pero kung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no, kung naman is kanya-kanyang opinion, respetuhin na lang po natin, no. Okay, tara. Let's go. Let's watch this, no.
Welcome to Ms. Mojo, and today we're counting down our picks for the most talented P-pop acts who have what it takes to become the next big thing. Number 10, Yera.
Agree 100%.
This group's journey is as admirable as their music. From trainees at Show BT Entertainment to participating in reality shows like the 2019 Pinoy K-pop Star and Pop Pinoy, the latter of which they won, the girls have come a long way. Now, under Sony Music Philippines, members Rocher, Angelou, Krista, and Kim are spreading their wings, true to their band name, which means butterfly in Arabic. Yera's music is characterized by feminine allure and confidence, but also an edgy hip-hop vibe. Performance is a strength of this team, and they sure know how to put on a fantastic show. Number 9, New Eid.
If all of this is just another dream, don't wake me up, just leave me be.
When you give a group of talented Gen Z youngsters creative freedom with K-pop training, you get chaotic genius. New Eid, whose members were contestants on the competition show Dream Maker, endeared themselves to fans with their genuine personalities and refreshing music style.
Gaganon sa ang tagal! Wala siyang sense of urgency.
How about that? Can someone describe that?
Very emotional!
Judging from their releases so far, they've got some solid vocalists, rappers, and dancers. They also have a penchant for viral fan engagement on social media platforms, where they flex their individual skills and comedic chops. All this combined makes them a group you just have to keep an eye out for. Number 8, Aja. Never underestimate the power of disarming cuteness and bubblegum pop.
Yeah.
4-member boy group Aja sings of puppy love with a mouthful of promises, and we adore it every time. They're perfectly suited to their bright schoolboy concept and never fail to make fans smile. Pick any Aja song and you'll instantly feel a boost in your mood by the end of it. Given their talent and potential, we hope to see their theme evolve with time. But for now, we're jamming along like we're back in our teenage years again.
I can treat you better. Promise that you back it up forever. Hurt you, I will never. I promise that you won't find any other.
Number 7, Kaya. Looking for a group full of baddies to stan? Your search ends here.
What to say, blah blah. What you say? What to say, blah blah.
All 5 members of Kaya are not only gorgeous, but also hold immense talent. Together, they explore various genres and musical styles, impressing fans with their versatility.
What's up, it's my time. No one can stop me, baby. Get on the dance floor, I'm feeling myself.
The team is respected for their live performances and the members' active participation in writing their songs, most of which convey strength and empowerment. As SB19's sister group, Kaya must have felt quite the pressure when they debuted in 2022. However, today, they have not only lived up to fans' expectations, but exceeded them. Number 6. Vision. This band is on a mission to create their own genre. Given their discography, they're not far from their destination.
Time to let go and put on a show. I break away 'cause I always be the beast. Hey, yeah, yeah.
Vision takes range seriously. You'll easily find influences of EDM and hip-hop in their songs, but there's something inherently Filipino in how they execute these genres. Furthermore, the members prioritize artistic expression and storytelling in their work. This shows in their lyrics and compositions, which the members often create themselves, as well as their music videos. Vision may be the monsters of P-pop, but their brand of masculine charm is tough on the outside and soft deep down. That's why they have fans swooning left and right. Number 5. Horizon. This 7-member boy group is global in the truest sense of the word. The boys are Filipino and came together after winning the survival show Dream Maker. Then they honed their talents in South Korea under the K-pop training model. Since debuting in 2023, they've been performing in English, Korean, and Tagalog, drawing attention from around the world. Each member is appealing in his own way, but together they're even more delightful. Having come from a competition show, fans are already attached to them, but even new listeners can't help falling for their peppy but magnetic charms. Number 4. Press Hit Play. Is there anything this band can't do? From ballads to rock, retro pop, and R&B, Press Hit Play knows how to keep their fans on their toes. The group started their career covering songs by K-pop artists. As their creative urges grew and opportunities arose, Press Hit Play made their official debut. In no time, the members were able to connect with listeners as they poured their lived experiences into their art. The synergy they developed while writing, composing, and producing their songs together translated effortlessly into their performances. You can tell the members have a tight bond, both with each other and with fans, which is undoubtedly a factor contributing to their success. Number 3. Alamat.
Alam ko na yung 1 and 2.
Ever since their debut, this group has been dedicated to bringing the richness of Filipino culture to the world. The members have varied backgrounds and sing in different regional Filipino languages, giving the band a unique selling point. Moreover, the subject matter they usually...
For me, Alamat represents na talagang legit na P-pop talaga, Pinoy na Pinoy. Every release nila ng music video or kanta, talagang Pinoy na Pinoy po talaga. That's just my own opinion. Pero sa Alamat ko nakikita, yung talagang Pinoy talaga yung vibe talaga ng kanta nila.
Work with revolves around Filipino history, heritage, and traditional elements. They take pride in their roots and express that in such innovative ways that anyone would become curious to know more. Representing one's culture is a great responsibility, and Alamat does it with conviction in their vision, backed by the members' standout talents. They're destined for greatness. Number 2. G22.
So hold on tight.
Apat pa sila rito, kompleto pa.
Who Who doesn't love a group of strong, independent women who put boldness, badassery, and main character energy into their music? G22 is like a breath of fresh air in P-pop, making fans fall in love with their girl crush concept.
Left, right back, you a boomerang. Keep on coming back again, you love me like a boomerang.
True to their nickname of female alphas, G22's music highlights the unrelenting grit and courage of women, as well as their beauty and grace. The members excel in
Vocals nila guys, sobrang solid, promise. Isa sa mga sobrang powerful na grupo to. Ang G22 talaga, pagdating sa vocals po talaga. Pero isayaw nila guys, sobrang solid na. Pero mas nangingibabaw sa kanila yung vocals nila guys, sobra.
Rap and choreography, with powerful vocals to match. It is only a matter of time before they shoot to the pop stratosphere.
Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel
Number one,
and
I
ring the
think,
bell to get notified about our
boy
latest
group.
videos. You
Alam
have
ko
the
na kung
option to
sino
be
eh, pero
notified for occasional
baka
videos
pahiya
or
tayo.
all of them. If you're on your
Number one,
phone,
boy
make
group
sure
yan.
you go into your settings and switch on notifications.
Number 1,
Sexy.
BGYO. Formed through Star Hunt Academy, this group has all the makings of a global phenomenon. BGYO has captivated fans worldwide with their crowd-pleasing but memorable beat through Star Hunt Academy.
2009? Hindi 2009 tong video na to Hindi Baka 2009 nag-start ang Showtime. Okay, Showtime pala. Okay. Kala ko
This
2009 nag-start yung BGYO.
group has all the makings of a global phenomenon. BGYO has captivated fans worldwide with their crowd-pleasing but memorable bops, hard-hitting choreography, and impressive music videos boasting high production value. They have toured internationally, showcasing their power-packed performances to a wide audience, and have multiple high-profile brand deals under their belt. Most importantly, the group is determined to walk shoulder to shoulder with the trendsetters of the music world. With how well-equipped BGYO is to break into the mainstream, we have no doubt that they will, just like their seniors, SB19 and Beanie. What are some of your favorite songs by these P-pop groups? Let us know in the comments.
So ayun guys, actually agree naman ako dun. Agree ako dun, no. Ang sa akin lang, I think dapat medyo inangat nila, for me inangat nila yung Kaya at the same time yung Yara, no. Inangat nila, no. Yung Yara deserve nila, hindi sila dapat sa top 10. I think that mas taas pa at the same time yung Kaya, no. For me, that's just my own opinion. Pero yung top 1, agree ako dyan, no. Pero yan, agree ako dyan. Pero naglalaban, talo kayo sa akin is BGYO and G22 no. Ayan, nagkatalo sa akin yung dalawang yan. Pero Alamat sumunod doon, tama. Pang-apat, ano ba yung pang-apat nila kanina? Ano yung pang-apat niya? Check natin, no? 4. Okay. Press hit play, no? I think pwede yung Horizon, no? Dapat mas angat siya, no? Oti sa press hit play, no? Pwede, may opinion ko lang yun, And yun na naman yung mga masabi ko, no? Yun, and then yung Kaya at saka yung Yara, dapat mas angat sila pa, no? For me, I think deserve nila mapunta sa top 5 or pwedeng top 6 or, yeah, pwede, no? So, lang naman yung opinion ko, no? Agree ako dun, no? And, ayun, kaya naman yan, guys. So, sadyang, meron lang tayo kanya-kanyang time. May kanya-kanya tayong time, guys, no? Hindi yan isang iglap lang, guys, sisikat na kayo. Wag na susuko, tuloy-tuloy lang, di ba? Ganyan naman eh. Ganyan naman nagsimula yung mga P-pop groups ngayon talagang nasa mainstream na, no? Excuse me. SB19, tuloy lang sila ng tuloy, di ba? And then, ayun, yung pumutok yung go-up dance practice nila. And then yung Beanie, consistent lang talaga sila, guys. Ang tagal, Last year lang sila nag-boom, 2024, no? Pero ang tagal nila, 4 years na sila sobrang active, no? And, yun, pumutok sila sa Pantropiko, di ba? And, ayun, tuloy-tuloy lang naman, no? Meron yan. Merong isang kanta dyan or merong isang moment dyan na magpapasikat sa inyo, no? Pwedeng TikTok or kung ano man, no? Or pwedeng dance challenge or pwedeng may event na nakita kayo dun sa, and then sobrang ganda ng ano nyo, ng live performance nyo. Marami pwede mangyari. No? So, tuloy-tuloy lang naman yan. May kanya-kanyang click lang yan. No? Kumbaga, may kanya-kanyang moment lang yan kung kailan talaga kayo puputok. So, yun guys, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So, this is Point of It signing out. Peace. Bless you.